Despite the harsh acidic environment of the stomach, which is primarily due to the presence of hydrochloric acid with a pH as low as 1.5 to 3.5, some bacteria and worms have developed unique strategies that enable them to survive and even thrive in this environment. Here's how they manage it. Number 1. Protective mucus layer. The stomach is lined with a thick layer of mucus that protects its tissues from the acidic environment. Some bacteria, like, burrow into this mucus layer, where the pH is less acidic, allowing them to survive and avoid direct contact with the stomach acid. Number 2. Neutralizing the acid. Some bacteria, such as, produce an enzyme called urease, which converts urea, a compound found in the stomach, into ammonia. Ammonia is basic and can neutralize the surrounding acid, creating a more hospitable environment for the bacteria. Additionally, some worms and other parasites have developed protective coatings or capsules that can resist the acidic environment, protecting them until they reach more favorable conditions in the intestines. Number 3. Acid resistance mechanisms. Certain bacteria have proteins that are specially designed to function in acidic environments, allowing their cellular processes to continue even when exposed to stomach acid. Moreover, some bacteria can activate stress response systems that help repair acid-induced damage to their DNA and cellular structures, ensuring their survival. Some worms and bacteria may be ingested in forms such as eggs or spores that are temporarily resistant to acid. Once they pass through the stomach and reach the more neutral pH environment of the intestines, they hatch or become active. For instance, has special structures that allow it to adhere to the epithelial cells of the stomach lining. This close attachment allows it to stay within the protective mucus and avoid being swept away by stomach acid or digestive processes. Is one of the best-known examples of an organism that can survive in the stomach. It is associated with stomach ulcers and even stomach cancer, largely because it can survive the acidic environment through the mechanisms mentioned above. Some parasites, like the eggs of tapeworms, can survive the stomach's acid and only hatch or grow when they reach the intestines, where the environment is more suitable for them. In summary, worms and bacteria can survive in the acidic environment of the stomach by either neutralizing the acid, hiding within the protective mucus layer, using specialized proteins and stress responses, or simply passing through quickly to more favorable environments. These adaptations are a testament to the diverse survival strategies developed by various organisms over time.